guys, what's up? So basically I've bought a Honda Civic and I wanted like a cheap head unit for it. So I went on eBay and got the cheapest one possible. So I'm going to open it up, show you guys what it's about, I'm going to install it, and then I'll let you know if it's worth it. It was only like 35 quid, I want to say. It was very cheap. And all I wanted it for was like Bluetooth music. So yeah, it should do that job, and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to unbox it, show you guys what it's like. I'm not expecting much because of the price. I had a Pioneer DAB one, like with Apple CarPlay in my Honda Accord. That was really good, but I didn't even use Apple CarPlay because I'm on Android. So the only thing I used was the actual on the reverse camera. The only thing I used was Bluetooth music and hands-free, obviously. Got the adapters and the cables, all of that. Okay. First impression is really light, like proper light. I thought it'd be heavier. I don't know why, I just thought it'd be heavier. But yeah, oh, it's kind of small, you know. I don't know, I thought it'd be like all the way back there. But as you can see, you've got GPS, antenna, camera. I'm guessing that you can have your aux cable if you want it. And then the wires going there, and that's it. Pretty simple. You've got aux at the front as well. My bad. USB, SD card, this on off. I mean, it's light, it doesn't feel like heavy or anything good, but these feel robust. Don't feel like they're going to break anytime soon. So yeah, I'm going to try fitting into the Civic and I'll see how it goes. At the moment I'm using an FM transmitter. It's alright, but not good enough. But I'm thinking to take this off. I think I have to take all of this off, take that off, take this off. There's two screws and then that pops out. So I'll do that. So after a bit of Google, I managed to get it out, and I think there's two more bolts there. Take that out and I should be able to push it out. So yeah, got the whole head unit out. I've got this kit as well, obviously, to make it a doubled in. So I need to take these screws off and push this out. So yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. Everything is out. I've taken the old stereo out. It's back there. Do I know how to put everything back together? Not really, no, but let me go get the doubled in and see if it fits, and whatever happens, happens. The only thing, I did it, I don't know, the fascia doesn't fit, so I don't really care. But the only thing that annoyed me was the reverse camera. I don't know how to wire it in. So yeah, I don't know. It is what it is, but I've put it back in. Now I just need to flip and put this all back together and it should be done. Back together, it's working as you can see, but slight problem. None of these are working. Great, I'm gonna have to take it out again. I fixed it, it was just the wire was loose, so it's working now. But I'm gonna use it. I'll let you know how it goes, and I'll tell you if it's worth it or not. I mean, it seems responsive enough for what it is. Like, look, if I'm touching these, it's like it's not touch screen, like you know how it is on your phone. You have to like press it a bit, but it's all right. But yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. For about, I don't know, a few hours or so, and the Bluetooth worked perfectly fine. Connected to my phone. As soon as I get in, it connects up. But I don't know. I don't really need to use anything else. Like, you've got all of these other folders here. I don't need them because I don't use it. I spoke to my friend on the phone. The mic is already built in. It's like here somewhere. I don't know. I think it's that. Oh no, there it is up there. Sorry. And you can talk to and they can hear you fine. So even if you want to use it as a hands-free kit, it works quite good. I don't know. Look, if I go into settings, you have all these, like whatever you want to set up. But I don't really need to do anything. But yeah, for what I paid, I can't complain. It works, does the job, does what I need it to do. I could have had a single DIN one as well, I guess. They're like 30-40 quid from Halfords, but this just looks tiny bit better, I guess. And yeah, so it's a thumbs up from me. For the price is good, but yeah, you need the fascia kit because it comes with the adapter. Otherwise you have to wire it in yourself, and that's long. So I'll tell you how much it cost. I think it cost me, I'll put it in the description below, but I think it was like 38 quid for that and the camera, and then another 15 quid for the fascia with the adapter and the head unit bolt things. But yeah, I still need to wire the, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but do that and it should work. Oh yeah, here was the fascia. I don't know why it just doesn't fit. Like, it's supposed to go in there and just make it look all neat, but I don't know, it doesn't fit. Who cares? Not me. So yeah, there you are, guys. If you want me to, like, if you want to know anything else, let me know. I'll try doing it for you. But a review to come on this bad boy. You can get it in 45 mpg. It's doing me good around town. So yeah, thanks guys.